Let's make some cashew milk masala chai. This recipe is vegan, dairy-free, completely plant-based. Simmer some spices in water. Whole spices are preferable, but you can use powdered spices too. You choose which spices you want to start simmering. Meanwhile, in a high-speed blender jar, add 2 cups water, half a liter. A quarter cup cashews, about 12 to 18 depending on the size. Blend at high speed. Depending on your blender's power, you can blend anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. The cashew milk is frothy and creamy and delicious. Set some aside in a small tumbler so that you can use it for chai. The rest of it you can pour it into a vessel. This can be refrigerated for up to 7 days. Cover and pop it into the fridge. Now the spices are ready, boiled well, smells so good. Add about a spoon to a spoon and a half of tea, simmer for 30 seconds. Reduce the heat, pour milk steadily and stir. You can add only as much milk as you like depending on the color and the thickness that you like. Simmer this for a very short while. Do not boil, only simmer. And your cashew milk masala chai is ready. At this point, you can splash in a little more cashew milk if you like. You can taste and adjust, totally up to you. For more support on vegan food, business, and living, visit me at Veganosaurus.com. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your chai. Bye.